can't believe I'm going home this Friday coming up. This is going to be my last weekend here. Gone so quick. It's been a good holiday. So I just want to say a big huge thank you to all my friends that made my holiday a good holiday. And thank you for being there for me and all that, and putting up with me with my mood swings. I really appreciate it. And I made such good friends, some new friends and that for life, so I'm so grateful for everything. Meeting all you lot. Of course, everyone, I would really appreciate if you can go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel, please, called David Evans, please. And please go and subscribe to the Nomad Bro, please. And also go and subscribe to my mate music channel called Cozy Music, please. And yeah, my mate Harry's playing at Sunset Lounge on Tuesday, the 7th of February 2023, on my mum's anniversary. So come on down, guys, because that's going to be my last Sunset Lounge gig until I'm back next time. But yeah, Tuesday going to be a difficult day for me, so yeah, I'm trying to think of what to do on that day. Because drinking alcohol won't be the best thing, so I want to do something fun and remembering fun things. Like maybe you'll go out on the day trip somewhere. Use my money wisely, I'm not sure. I'm going to miss this view every day, I really am. It's such a good holiday, except for I wasted it on drinking, but still I enjoyed my time and I still had fun, and that's what counts. Got Saturday at hour and 25 minutes until sunset. Right guys, remember, click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click that notification bell, you'll be notified of the new YouTube videos. And catch you all later, bye for now.